Nice to meet you. Hello.
Nice to meet you too, brother. How are you?
Yeah. I'm great. Yeah, what about you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm pretty good with mercy of Allah. So where are you
Mm-hmm.
from?
I come from China. China.
Oh, China. In which
Yeah.
province?
Shanghai. Shanghai.
Oh, Shanghai, I see.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
Zhang.
Is it your full name?
Oh, it's my English name.
Oh, I see. So what's your full name?
My full name. My first name is Jun Yi, and my surname is Fan.
Oh, so how can I call you? As a John.
Oh yeah. Zhang is fine. Yeah, because Chinese people, I wanted to select English name for talking with foreign peoples, foreign people.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you do for a living?
Uh, I'm a manager now. I'm a manager in a company. It's in health industry.
Oh, that's good.
What about you, my friend?
Nowadays, I'm doing a job in a private firm at electrical department.
Oh, okay. So do you need to work today? Still need to work today?
Yes, till now I'm at my workplace.
Okay. Thank you for following me. I will follow you later. Okay.
Okay, brother.
Hello, new friend, Rebecca. And how are you doing today? Hope you have a nice Sunday or weekend. Hello. Yeah. More friends just just enter the live streaming here. How
Oh,
long have you been using you used this app? How long?
around 3 months have passed
Okay.
and I'm using these apps.
What do you think of this app?
I think these apps help all the people to communicate with the foreigners so that they can gather knowledge to know about the culture. Thereafter, this person want to learn English, they can practice here with the native
Yeah.
speaker and also different kinds
Yeah.
of countries people.
Very convenient to connect the people from around the world. Yeah.
Yeah, this apps is very convenient to all to communicate with the people all over the world.
Yeah. Yeah, and compare with the voice room, I like live streaming because we can see with each other. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
bro.
more reliable, I think.
Yeah, if you have any inertia into your mouth, then when you will come in front of the camera, then it will remove. And thereafter, you will get hope to speak loudly with someone, and it will increase your speaking skill also.
Yeah, yeah. This app is really useful. Yeah.
Hmm. So, what is the weather condition in your country? Is it hot weather or cold weather?
Uh, actually, in recent days, the temperature is high, around 20, 20 degrees. But but the climate will decrease again from next week. Yeah, from tomorrow. What
Oh,
about you come from Bangladesh? Yeah.
yes, brother, I'm from Bangladesh.
Yeah. I have a friend also come from Bangladesh. Yeah. He works in Shanghai.
Many Bangladeshi students have gone to China to get their graduation, and I think the China government has broadened their educational system for all over the all students, so that everyone can go
Hmm.
there for study.
Yeah, China and we're good friends.
I have some friends in China, but most often I could not talk to them. When I come in
Mm-hmm.
offline, then I could not find them in online, so I cannot communicate with them.
Okay. Yeah, because in China we use another chatting tool called WeChat. Do you know?
Oh,
We cannot access Facebook and Instagram directly due to some regulations. So yeah.
I see. Your country's government has some restriction for using
Mm.
Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah,
That's right.
yeah, yeah. That's right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
But I cannot see your face clearly.
Uh, sorry, you used pardon?
Your face is not clear to me. Okay. Now,
Maybe it's
yes.
okay. Yeah, maybe the signal, the signal, yeah, sometimes are weak.
Oh, I see. So, how many days are you in these apps?
Well, for me, I used for 2 to 3 years, but I stopped used for a while. In recent days, I back to this app. Yeah.
Okay, that's good. If you use these apps to communicate with the people, then it will help you to improve your English skill as well as you could be able to speak like a native speaker one day, inshallah.
Yeah, yeah, I think this one is really, yeah, we can make people make friends from different countries, yeah,
So,
not
brother,
just
have you ever come in Bangladesh for visiting?
oh, no, not yet. No, yeah.
So,
I hope maybe
have any intention to come to visit my country in the future?
maybe yeah,
Oh, I see. But
yeah.
as a, as far as I know, we had to depend on China, electrical and electronics products most of the time,
Yeah.
and I think all over the world, uh, most of the countries use electrical components from China.
Yeah. Yeah. China has a project called the One Belt and the One Road. Yeah. It helped many countries.
Yes, brother. Hmm.
What about you? Have you ever been to China before?
No. I had never come there, but I have intention. If I have any chance, then I will go there for visiting just only. But I will not stay there for a long time.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, it's what's coming, yeah. China, nowadays, China is a very modern country, yeah, with
Uh,
many tourist attractions here. Uh, this year, Hangzhou, Hangzhou held the 19th Asia Games. Yeah, so many foreigners were impressed by the beautiful Hangzhou. Yeah, they hope to live in Hangzhou in the future. Yeah.
yeah, I know about that. Okay, so what time is it now in your country?
Mm, sorry, what time you mean?
What time is it now in
Oh,
your
what
country?
time? Okay. It's 9:51 p.m. What about your country?
It's 7:52 p.m.
Okay, so 2 hours, 2 hours
We are different for 2 hours.
between.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you eaten your supper?
No, brother. Till I am staying at my workplace. When it will be 8 p.m., then I will go back to my room. Then I will take my dinner, inshallah.
Oh, okay. I see. Okay, yeah. I have eaten my supper. Yeah.
I see. You have already taken your dinner.
Uh, well, actually, very simple. Just family members. Yeah, ate
Oh.
together. Yeah. Yeah,
So how
but
many
dinner.
how many family members do you have?
Uh, actually, I actually in my hometown, just my father and my mother. But I still have some relatives. They live in another city.
Oh, I see. So, are you married?
No, no, not yet.
Oh, I see. So, how old are you?
33.
But you didn't get married with someone. Your age is going up.
Uh, still, still looking for the right person. Yeah, it's
Oh,
not easy to find the right person nowadays. Yeah. What about you, my friend?
I am 27, but till I did not get married. But I'm
Okay,
taking preparation to get married as soon as possible.
okay.
But it's very difficult for me to find out someone whom I will
Why?
get married. It's difficult to find out the right person. As I'm Muslim, so I will have to find out a girl who follow Islamic rule. Okay.
Okay, okay. I got it. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. The culture. Yeah.
Yeah, culture, Islamic
Okay,
culture, Islamic rules. So could be able to abide by them, then I could be able to get her married. Without, I don't want to get married.
okay. So Muslim don't eat porks. Yeah,
Fox, wine,
pork, pork. For
wine,
Muslim,
wine,
uh,
beer, wine, vodka, such kind of drugs that we don't want to take.
oh yeah, yeah. There are many cultures and customs. Yeah. Hey, hello, 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 hello.
As a Muslim, we have many restrictions, and as far as
Mm-hmm.
everyone know about that, if we follow the Islamic rule, then it would be great for us to live as a peaceful man in the world. So we have to always abide by the rule of Islam. That's why we have some restriction to do something, to eat something, to go somewhere.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see. Yeah. Many, like you said, yeah, many regulations.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Here have many regulations that we have to maintain.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so brother, I will have to leave now as it's time 8 p.m. I will go back to
Okay.
my home.
Okay. See you around. Okay.
See you
Nice to
then.
meet you.
Okay,
See
okay,
you.
brother.
Bye
Nice
bye.
to meet you too. Allah Hafiz.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Mm-hmm. Bye bye.